Sam.
Hello, Jake.
Can you tell the people what they should do if they've unfortunately been in an accident and they have to go through insurance?
So the first thing you should do is definitely call the body centre first, because it may be a repair that you actually end up wanting to pay for privately instead of going for insurance and affecting that. If it's a figure that you don't want to pay for and you do want to go for insurance, 100% the body centre can deal with the whole claim. Now, we are not approved by 0 insurance companies, but we work with every single one, and probably 2/3 of all the cars here are insurance repairs. The reason why you should choose the body centre as your repairer, which you are legally obliged to do, is because when we repair your car through an insurance claim, we repair your car to the highest standard possible. Because we're not approved by them, we are the professionals. We tell the insurance company how we're going to repair a car, which if you've paid your insurance for all these years and you come to use it, you deserve a high quality repair. We use all genuine parts. We use the best paint materials available on the market. We don't use any non-genuine or second-hand parts or cheap products, and there's no bonus schemes to turn your car into a rush to lose all the quality of the repair. So if you want a high quality insurance repair, you are legally allowed to choose the body centre as your repairer.
Well, I could put it better myself.
There we go.
Thank you, Sam.